My dear friends, today I am in front of you with the subject risk factors for osteoporosis. I am Dr. Mohammad Zahidul Islam Khan, Assistant Professor Medicine, Sher-e-Bangla Medical College, Borishal, Bangladesh. Risk factors are inflammatory disease like rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, inflammatory bowel disease. Endocrine risk factors are hyperparathyroidism, hyperthyroidism, hypogonadism, Cushing's syndrome. Gastrointestinal risk factors are chronic liver disease, malabsorption. Lung diseases are chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, cystic fibrosis. Some drugs like glucocorticoids, levothyroxine, over replacement, heparin. In miscellaneous group, myeloma, homocystinuria, anorexia nervosa, Gaucher's disease, HIV infection, heavy smoking, BMI less than 18, systemic mastocytosis. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel to get a new video from me later. Thank you very much.